Hey there, everybody. I'm Jacqueline Mazzarella, VP of Marketing at Addteq, and here with me is Himanshu Chetri, Enterprise Architect at Addteq.
Hi everyone.
And welcome back to our video series. Today, we're going to be talking about implementing DevOps deployment success with Addteq and why you should choose us. So Himanshu, I will jump right on in. So why would you need an implementation partner for DevOps deployments?
And this is a really great question. In terms of DevOps deployments, you have to think of this as a multi-phased task. And it's an entire project by itself because you need to do some steps before the implementation. That may include evaluating your existing environment as well as designing the future environment. And then you have to do the actual implementation in the next phase. And then after the implementation is complete, you have to also design the system for ongoing support and have all of the necessary controls in place in order for this to be a reliable and robust environment. So because of all of the details and phases that are involved in the, DevOps implementations these days, you really need an implementation partner who can help you out across the entire phase, not just for a particular phase of the implementation. So you ideally need an implementation partner to do this.
Okay, makes sense. And why would someone, or what should you look for in an implementation partner?
A lot of organizations these days, in terms of the implementation, are also moving to the cloud from their on-premise setups, or for new setups, they are directly going to the cloud. So ideally, you need an implementation partner who has the expertise, not only for assessing the on-premise deployments that you may already have, but also they need to have the ability to deploy these systems on the cloud, which is a different skill set altogether. And then you also need your implementation partner who can actually help you with the migration from your on-premise to the cloud environment. And not only that, you may have systems that may be spread out across on-prem and cloud environments. So those systems still need to talk to each other and be integrated. So you need an implementation partner who can help you ensure these integrations stay in place as you go through this migration phase. And beyond the actual migration and implementation, you also need an implementation partner that can provide ongoing support for your overall setup.
Great. So why should you choose Addteq as an implementation partner?
Like I mentioned, all of the details and phases that are required for the migration, Addteq has extensive experience in this space. Addteq has done numerous implementations as well as migrations. And that also includes, migrating between on-premise to the cloud. And one of Addteq's core expertise is also providing ongoing support for these environments, including these hybrid environments spread out across on-prem and cloud. And Addteq's Code Factory offering offers customers the option to either completely use the cloud-based environments with the fully managed hosting option, or Code Factory also supports customers who want to manage the infrastructure themselves. And Addteq has all of the expertise as well as offer these services, including ongoing support based on different SLA-based support tiers. And this, I believe, makes Addteq a perfect choice for an implementation partner.
Absolutely, and that sounds like a great solution. Speaking of which, next week on September 30th at noon, 12 p.m. Eastern, we will be hosting a webinar on that exact topic, talking a little bit more about the hybrid solutions and our Code Factory offering, where we can explain a bit more to people interested on, of course, the hybrid solution, but of course, deploying on server or on-prem or on the cloud. So stay tuned to that. You can visit addteq.com to register to that webinar for next week. And also you can reach out to us at addteq.com as well. But thank you so much for watching our video. And thank you, Himanshu, for coming on in and answering some of our questions.
Thanks for having me here.
All right. Bye-bye.